Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Vita Mahjong on different devices like phones, tablet and desktop. Let's get started. On your phone, open the Vita Mahjong app from the App Store. Use your finger to tap free tiles and match pairs. The small screen is perfect for quick games anytime, anywhere. Just make sure your phone is charged and you have enough space for the app. On the tablet, the bigger screen makes it easier to see all the tiles. The gameplay is the same. You tap free tiles to match them, but the larger display is great for spotting hidden tiles and pattern faster. Tablets are ideal for long sessions or more challenging levels. On a desktop or laptop, you can play Vita Mahjong through a browser or download version is available. Use your mouse to click tiles instead of tapping. Desktop give you bigger view and area perfectly. If you want precise control, especially for complex layouts, some desktops also support keyboard shortcut for faster gameplay. If you play on multiple devices, make sure your game progress is synced. Log in with your account or connect through cloud save options if available. This way you can start your phone, continue on the tablet and finish on a desktop without losing progress. Remember, the gameplay is the same across all devices. Tap or click free tiles, plan your moves, use hint and power up twice, and that's it. Whether you are on phone, tablet or desktop, you can enjoy Vita Mahjong anywhere. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.